Hello everybody. Today we're going to learn the baritone part for the piece Jerusalema. Now the part is played on the beat, and these are the notes that you play for Jerusalema. You're going to start with C on your left, followed by E, and then G, and then the C on your right. As you can see, I'm alternating my hands. I'm going to go left, followed by right on E, left on G, right on C. Left, right, left, right. So I'm going to do that twice through. 1, 2. From there, you go to A, 8 times. And then F, 8 times. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 1. So the 8 is on F. So you're going G, F, E, D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G, F, E, D. And then you start again from the beginning. And then A, 8 times. F, 8 times. And then G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you only play G 7 times, and then the rest is F, G, F, E, D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you start from the beginning. F, G. Right, so that is the first part. We move on to the second part. C and C, this time you're playing C and C together. So you go 2, 3, 4, and then A, 3, 4, and F, 3, 4, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, A, and F, 3, 4, and then G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, A, and F, 3, 3, 4, and. All right, so that's the second part. Now I'm going to play the first part 2 times through and then move on to the second part. So those are the 2 parts for Jerusalema on the baritone. Enjoy learning the parts. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.